Maybe we should next time like record a riff like say for instance, yeah, this is story blah, 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 stop and then like then we go like just like couple second things.
Yeah, we can do that.
In studio or whatever, like. Hi, my name is Ace, J for Junaidi, and I live in Enmore, part of Sydney, New South Wales. I was born in a place called Bandung, which is about 3 hours from Jakarta. I grew up in that town, like small town, and I just like this genre of music. I saw this poster, man, like my uncle's room. So like Mick Jagger, with the long hair, things like, oh fuck man, it looks good, like yeah, I want to become like that. Always wanted to become a guitarist, and then came here, can't speak English, and I went straight back to school, like Cleveland Street, the language center, and then we went for tour, that's music class, and I saw a lot of guitars. Yes, so it's like heaven for me, I spend so much hours every day, like practice 8 hours a day. Not like the whole day, but I mean maybe 2 hours here, 2 hours there. I went to school late every day, because of that guitar. So when I left that school, and I started joining up the band, heavy metal band, and we start playing around, like a small audience, until finally 5 years later, like I had my big studios, my big amp, like it's getting good, and I got another call from Indonesia. Hey, do you want to join this band? Like it's like a solo artist singer, and he's already well known. Like I said, sure. So I went back there. That's where I started really my career with my recording, in Indonesia. So after like I've been so many years in Indonesia in the music industry, came back here to Australia. I feel like I've been left there in Australia or Sydney, So I'm thinking, what the hell? So I should start up here again, to continue my music here. How am I gonna survive? I have to find a job. What about my guitaring? Then I thought about, well, maybe KB. Maybe I got more times and stuff. And so I took the course, and learned and got a license, and then it works, man. It's like, when I'm not busy or if I'm in the rank, bring my guitar and practice, And then it's getting better and better, and nowadays I build up this recording studio in my cab, not huge, but at least that's my, I bought this iPad, iPhone, whatever, and I just set up all this recording, effects. If I work like until about morning, like, after 3, usually just get quite dead, or I would just go up to the beach and park there, set up the sound, bang away, man, like mic riff, just like at home, man, like until I get really tired, and I sleep there, get up in the morning, wash my face, get ready, and hey, where do you want to go? Start cabbing and make money, If I don't make it, at least I have my story of guitaring in the cab, and then continue with cabbing, or maybe if I make it, I still do cabbing, but I don't drive, I have cab company or something like that, At the moment, most of the time, I always entertain the passengers, telling about my guitaring and stuff, and they have a go with my guitar, and they just like, they're all laughing and stuff, so that's the best part, man, It's like the entertainment, You don't have to be playing on the stage and make them happy, like sometimes you play and they're not happy, there's no connection there, you know what I mean? Maybe because I'm a musician, play guitar, talk about music, and the passengers like so happy, and after get out from the cab, that's the point, man. Money, yes, money come and go, Some passenger like we talk about things, problem, like personal problem, and at the end of the trip, you go, thanks, man. I go, thanks for what? You changed my life. Like, what? For what? 20 minutes like a ride? Yeah, you changed my life, man. Like you said, good work, it's really good. Even someone said, man, you're like the best cab driver ever, man. What, that's a message for me, like, It's it, and then hopefully it's true. Thank you, you know. I'm on my own again. I'm all alone again. From now until whenever, I don't know. See what happens, yeah? Keep rolling, I'm gonna keep rolling.